Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to turn off TikTok activity status. So to do that, let's head over to your TikTok application first. Once you're there, just head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And here, just tap on the three lines on the top right. And in here, go to settings and privacy. Now go to privacy. And here you will find the option of activity status under discoverability section. It says when it is turned on, you and your friends, or it means followers who follow back, will see each other's activity status. You will see each other's activity status only while both of you turn this on. So if you want to turn this off, you just have to toggle it. So yeah, this is how you can just turn off your activity status on TikTok. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.